The boy who built his dream. In a small village,
Study well, Ali.
I will, Ammi.
there lived a schoolboy named Ali. Ali was not the richest student in his class, but he was the most curious one. Every morning, he walked to school with his old bag and worn shoes. On the way, he often stopped to look at broken radios, water pumps, and bicycles. Instead of ignoring them, Ali asked one question again and again.
How does this work?
At school, Ali loved mathematics and science. Numbers excited him, and experiments made him happy.
I loved mathematics and science experiments.
While other children played during break time, Ali sat quietly, drawing small machines in his notebook. One day, his teacher asked the class,
Hugo, what do you want to become?
Some students said doctor. Some said pilot. Ali stood up slowly and said,
I want to be an engineer.
The class laughed, but Ali did not feel sad. He believed in his dream. At home, Ali helped his father fix small things. When the fan stopped working, Ali tried to repair it. When the light went off, he checked the wires carefully. Sometimes he failed, but he never gave up. His mother said gently, dreams need hard work, not money. Ali studied every night under a small lamp. When electricity was gone, he used candles. When books were old, he read them again and again. Years passed. Ali worked harder than ever. He passed his exams with good marks and earned a scholarship. He went to a big college in the city, but he never forgot his village. One day Ali returned home, not as a schoolboy, but as an engineer. He repaired the village water system, fixed electric lines, and helped people with simple machines. The same children who once laughed at him now looked at him with respect. Ali smiled and said,
"Oh, way. Big dreams start in small places."
Hard work, curiosity, and belief can turn any dream into reality.